What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so before we begin, we're just letting you know that YouTube is currently censoring our content from what we can tell. Our reach to new viewers is officially down around 80% lower than what it was a month ago, so make sure to hit the like button now. It just really helps us out. So if you want to support the channel, the best thing that you can do is hit the like button. We've just hit 10k subscribers as well, so thank you all so much for your support. We really appreciate all of you. We make daily crypto videos, so make sure to check back every day or join the free Telegram in the description to get updates of every video being posted. You basically need to hit the real subscribe button, which is basically when you hit subscribe and then you turn all notifications on with the bell icon. Because even if you're subscribed, it seems as though you aren't getting shown our videos, so you'll have to hit the all notifications on the bell button to be notified of every video. Because if you don't do that, you won't see any of our videos basically. So with all that being said, and thank you so much again for your support, we really appreciate you all. Smash that like button. We can take a look at Polygon here. We've been doing Fibonacci extensions today by popular demand. A lot of people have been requesting we do fibs for pretty much all cryptos that we've been doing today. So we've done them for Ethereum and VeChain, etc. But obviously we don't have that much price history to go on with Polygon. So basically what we're looking at here is potentially just doing some fibs of the most recent price action that we've seen and kind of getting an idea of what potentially could be happening. So if we just take a look here, we could basically draw a Fibonacci extension here from essentially, Jesus Christ, this thing just doesn't want to click. We can draw it basically from the bottom of the recent correction here to 75 cents, draw it basically up to the top of the all-time high here. We can get an idea of some potential extensions that we could be looking at. But just remove my support and resistance line so you can get an idea of what's going on here. You can quite clearly see that there is a lot of adherence recently to these kinds of levels. As you can see, we actually came back down, perfectly retested here at the 0.23, as found it as very nice support, but we have actually been stuck in between. Let me just get rid of this ascending triangle so you can see. Let's not delete the Fibonacci extension. As you can see, we've basically been stuck in a range here between the 0.23 and the 0.38, basically doing something like this. We are making higher lows though, so we could potentially be looking at that nice little break to the upside soon, which we have been talking about for most cryptos because they are in an ascending triangle, as we can see. But as you can see, there's quite a lot of credence to this fact. The Fibonacci extensions do seem to be pretty damn accurate in predicting what potentially could be happening here. If we just take a look at some of these levels that have been tested quite perfectly, you can see obviously we've got our all-time high here, which is our 0 level, and then obviously this 0.75 area is the bottom of our Fibonacci extension. But obviously there's a lot of levels here that are being tested. You can see we came back up, tried to retest our 0.61 as support in this area, but we fell below it. Then we tried to test the 0.5 as support, but we fell below it. And then we tried to test the 0.38 as support here. We actually got the nice bounce here out of that descending wedge that we were talking about a few months ago. Or is it? I mean, I'm losing track of time here. I guess it was a month ago. This is the 6th of June here. So basically about a month ago, we were saying there's this descending wedge here. We found actually the 0.38 here on the Fibonacci extension as support. We came all the way up, got back up, but then we got rejected at 0.61 again. And as you can see, once we lost the 0.5 here again, we came all the way down, back tested the 0.23 here as support, and ever since then we've just been ranging in between the 0.23 and the 0.38 here, as you can see. So there's a lot of confidence to the fact that Fibonacci's do work. Everyone knows that Fibonacci extensions are scarily accurate in potentially predicting where charts might go in the future. But obviously, in our opinion, we're making higher lows here and we're holding key levels of support on our Fibonacci. So as far as we're concerned, we are making progress here. And as we said, if we do have this nice little ascending triangle here, we could be looking at a nice little breakout target for Polygon here, which would take us up to around $1.50 if this does play out. And if that was the case, we would finally get back above this 0.38 resistance. and potentially be looking at getting above the 0.5 as well. So we'd basically be reversing this trend. We've been in a downtrend for a long time here, haven't we? You can see quite clearly that we're stuck under this resistance at something like this. So if we do get back above this resistance and start to make some headway through these Fibonacci levels, we could be looking at some very nice upwards price action for Polygon quite soon. So if we just take a look at some longer term ideas of what we could be expecting by the end of the bull market, we did say that we were looking at potentially $10 per Polygon and beyond, and obviously that would take us well into our Fibonacci extension here, basically above our 161, maybe even up to this 227, which is our maximum extension. Anywhere beyond this would obviously not last very long in our opinion, because you would be getting into extremely overextended territory, but still possible to get up to these levels. And we did say with the blow off top of the bull run, we do think it would be possible, unlikely but pretty possible, that Polygon could get to, you know, $20 or beyond, depending on how overextended it did get. But we did say potentially between $15 and $20 would be a pretty good area for Polygon to end up as if it got really overextended. And as you can see, that would take us basically just above our 227 extension on our Fibonacci. So we did say that at least $10 per Polygon was quite likely in our estimation, which is only around a 10x from the current price, which seems pretty possible. I mean, considering how great the ecosystem is for Polygon right now, how much it's going to continue to grow, and all the smart contracts launching more and more stuff, we're probably going to see some nice movement for most smart contract platforms. And Polygon, considering the crazy demand that we have seen for it recently, as you can see by this V-shaped recovery, once this does start to run, we do think it's going to start to get a nice head of steam, just like it did all the way here. As you can see, this chart speaks for itself really. So obviously quite bearish recently in terms of the price action, but this is probably a necessary cooling off period. And as we said, we don't think there's any reason to be concerned here. We're adhering to key levels on the Fibonacci extensions. And we do think that if we start to pick up and get through these levels here, which is probably going to happen with Bitcoin, most likely going to get the pickup quite soon, then we're probably going to start to see Polygon coming through and ripping back through some of these levels to the upside. So obviously, as we said, if we do get that ascending triangle short-term price prediction, if that plays out, we could be looking at 150 per Polygon token. And then obviously it would be nice to start seeing us pick up like this. It's very difficult to know what the short term is going to be, obviously, because if Bitcoin does anything, that's basically what the market's going to do, and it's going to react to what's happening. But as we said, we do think that Polygon could be at least $10 per token by the end of the year, which would be our target, which would take us nicely into this Fibonacci extension here in between the 161 and the 227. So pretty obvious that Polygon's been on an absolute tear recently, and it's having a cooling off period. Just take a quick look at the weekly time frame here so we can get an idea of what's going on. As you can see, no signs of a bear market whatsoever. We haven't even back tested the 20 moving average yet, let alone the 55. So as far as we're concerned, until we start seeing our Polygon close below the 55 and start rolling over like this, potentially getting the death cross of our 20 on our 55, then no bear market as far as we're concerned. We're just not willing to accept that based on previous data. So, I mean, we're still in an uptrend, aren't we? It's pretty obvious that we're in an uptrend. It's pretty, I mean, it's pretty scary when you think you look at the weekly time frame here and look how we're still holding our 20 moving average and we're in an uptrend and people are calling for a bear market. Like, it really does show you that people don't really look at the data objectively, and they're just getting tied up in their feelings basically, which is obviously understandable when there's money on the line, but you have to consider all the data objectively. And from what we can tell here, objectively, we're not seeing any signs of a bear market. The bear market for us would be when you get this death cross on the weekly time frame of your 20 and your 55, and we start getting stuck under the 55 like this. But that's just not happening. So as far as we're concerned, we just don't see it. So obviously things looking good for Polygon. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.